To install the rafter assemblies, simply raise them in place between your two columns and attach the rafters to the haunch brackets which are on the columns. Once rafter is raised to the proper height, a spud wrench or bullpen can be used to align the pre-drilled holes. Once the holes line up, install the proper bolts. Once bolts are finger tightened and columns are plumb, bolts can be tightened so the individual pieces of steel are brought snug together. You can then install the second rafter and install the knee braces that were previously fit to the portal assembly.